Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this HUAWEI smartphone. You need to begin by locating and opening Calendar app. It should be in HUAWEI Apps folder. Now click on Allow in the pop-up and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Now, in order to add your event, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and then adjust it however you wish to. Firstly, choose Event or Important Day over here. I will go with Event though because it has a lot of more options. Now, add a title to it. Select Location by inputting an address. Pick starting hour, save it by choosing OK and then ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Then click on repeat and tap on the best option for you if you want your event to repeat like every year. You can also choose custom and adjust it. Then, to save your changes, click on this checkmark at the top right corner. In order to change repeat section, tap on it and choose Never in order to disable it completely. Now you can also click on Reminder over here, tap on the best one, I will go with 1 week before, mark your event as important or unimportant, and choose Account. Now, take some notes and finally save your event by clicking on checkmark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to, you can always edit it by tapping on it, clicking on Edit over here, and making your changes. Then, to discard them, click on the top left corner, and to save them, click on the top right one. Lastly, to get rid of your event completely, tap on it, select Delete icon at the bottom right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!